Good morning, students. We are continuing with exercise 7.3. Okay. We left on question number 9, I suppose. Question 9 up to question number 9 we have done. So I'm starting with question number 10 today. So the question is, a shopkeeper allows 20% discount on his goods. 20% discount. So discount is given to us 20%. Okay, and still earns a profit of 20%. Then profit is given to us, that is also 20%. If an article is sold for rupees 360, sold means he is selling, that means it is selling price. So selling price of an article is rupees 360. Okay. Further, they are saying find the marked price and cost price. Two things they are asking for, marked price and cost price. Okay. So let us start with the marked price. We know the formula for the marked price. It is 100 into selling price upon 100 minus discount percentage. 100 into selling price. Selling price is what? Rupees 360. 100 minus discount. Discount is 20. Discount is given to us 20. So 100 into 360 divided by 80. Cancel. Okay. Further you can cancel it and you will get the answer. This is the marked price. Don't forget to put the units, rupees. Second part, they have asked you to calculate the CP. We know the formula for the CP as well. It is again 100 into SP 100, because profit is given to us, तो profit के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, add plus profit percentage. All the values are given. 100, selling price is 360, 100 plus 20, again it will become 100 plus 20 is 120. 12 3s are 36 and you will get rupees 300 as your cost price of an article. This is about question number 10. Let us start with question number 11. Question number 11 says the printed price of a refrigerator is 28,600. Printed price just for print हुआ हुआ, that means basically the marked price is given. So marked price of refrigerator, it is given rupees 28,600. Okay. A dealer allows successive discounts of 10% and 5%. Successive मतलब एक के बाद. First discount he has given 10% and second discount he has given 5%. Find the price which a customer has to pay for the रेफ्रिजरेटर. कस्टमर जो खरीदने आया उसको कितना पे करना पड़ेगा, दैट मीन्स हमें शॉपकीपर का सेलिंग प्राइस बताना है. शॉपकीपर जिस पर सेल करेगा उसी पर तो वी आर गोइंग टू बाय इट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द सेलिंग प्राइस. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस योर सेल्फ. कहीं लिखा नहीं है क्वेश्चन में फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द प्राइस विच अ कस्टमर हैज़ टू पे. तो थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ, आप क्या पे करोगे जिस पर आपको शॉपकीपर सेल करेगा. सो यू हैव टू find the selling price. So let us start. Selling price is 100 minus discount percent into marked price upon 100. As we have two discount percent, so first I'll take D1. Okay, now 100 minus 10 into marked price is what, 28,600 upon 100. I'm solving it here only. 100 minus 10 is 90. 28600 upon 100. Cancel it. Now multiply it. You multiply, I'm multiplying it here. 286 into 9. you'll get rupees 25,740, zero for this. Okay, तो now he is selling at this. But इसके बाद ये वाला डिस्काउंट लगाने के बाद इस अमाउंट पर, आई एम रिपीटिंग, इस अमाउंट पर 5% का डिस्काउंट और दे रहा है वो. सो नाउ द मार्क्ड प्राइस, न्यू मार्क्ड प्राइस बिकम्स 25,740. 25,740. Again you have to find the selling price. Formula is 100 minus discount percent. Now we will take second discount percent into marked price upon 100. Okay, बस आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि now marked price you will take the new one. Okay, जो आपका पुराना selling price होगा first case का, that will become the new marked price. So 100 minus second discount was 5 into marked price is 25,740 upon 100. This will gives you 95 into 25,740 divided by 100. Find this, solve it yourself, and whatever answer you will get will be the final answer of the question. Question number 12. Two dealers have marked an article at the same price. They are saying they have marked an article for at the same price. तो हमें let करना है. Let the marked price be x. जनरली हम x लेते हैं, लेकिन इसमें क्या है, दो आर्टिकल सेम मार्क प्राइस पर है. सो आई एम कंसीडरिंग इट एज ₹100 so that our calculation becomes easy. If you want to do it by x, you can do. The first dealer allows two successive discount. There are two cases, two dealers are there. First dealer and second dealer. The first dealer allows a successive discount of 15% and 5%. He is giving two discount, 15% and 5%. Sorry, it's right, 15% and 5%. The other allows a discount of 20%. Don't think कि एक ही तो बात है, 15 और 5 20 होता है, यहाँ भी 20 है तो सेम ही प्राइस पड़ेगा. नहीं, let us calculate. So this case we will solve by the same method. I'm starting. Selling price formula is 100 minus discount percent, D1% into marked price upon 100. So 100 minus discount 1, that is 15. Marked price is 100 upon 100. 100 minus 15 is 85 into 100 upon 100. Cancel, you'll get ₹85. Okay, now the new marked price becomes 85. So this is your new mark price. Let us find out the second selling price. 100 minus discount 2. Now you will take second discount, this one. Discount 2% into marked price upon 100. 100 minus discount 2. Discount 2 is what? 5%. So 5 into marked price is 85 now. 85 upon 100. So 100 minus 5 will give you 95 into 85 upon 100. Okay, let us find out this one, or we can do the calculations first. 95 into 85, I'm multiplying here. 95 into 85, your 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, and 2 475, 8 5s are 40, 8 9s are 72, and it will give you 76. So 5 7 10 and 8. So this will gives you, this multiplication will gives you 8075 upon 100. Okay, so when I'll put the decimal, it will give me ₹80.75. Let us find out by this case. If together he is giving a discount of 20%. Okay, so marked price is 100 only, is in this case also. Let us find out the selling price. 100 minus discount percent into 100, sorry, into marked price होता है. marked price भी हमारा 100 ही है, so I have put directly by 100. 100 minus 20, discount is 20, into 100 upon 100. I hope these are clear to you, all of you now, because we are just doing the calculation part and all the questions are same. See, in this case you are paying 80 rupees, but in this case you are paying 80.75 रुपीज़, चाहे थोड़ा सा ही ज़्यादा है, ज़्यादा तो है ना. सो विच डिस्काउंट इज़ बेटर? 20% discount is better. So we will write our answer. 20% discount is better. Okay, they have asked you कि कौन सा केस बेटर है, कौन सा डिस्काउंट बेटर है. So in this case your 20% discount is better. Okay, moving further to the last question of the exercise as well as unit also, because we are not going to do exercise 7.4. Find a single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 30% and 10%. हमें एक डिस्काउंट निकालना है, कॉमन डिस्काउंट, जो 30% डिस्काउंट और 10% डिस्काउंट के इक्विवेलेंट हो. ठीक है. ओके, क्लियर टू यू ऑल? In that case, make sure selling price is always same. Selling price will remain same. Okay, so let us start now. Marked price is also not given to us, so let us suppose the marked price be x. So if I'll apply, now we are saying selling price is same. Selling price, this one, selling price 1 is equals to selling price 2. Formula for the selling price is 100 minus discount percent into marked price. Marked price is x upon 100 equals to 100 minus discount 1% upon 100. 100 minus, because we have two discounts, so I'll put into the multiply another discount also. 100 minus discount 2 upon 100 into marked price. Okay, now solve. 100 minus discount percentage into x by 100 is equals to 100 minus first discount is 30 into 100 minus second discount is 10 into x upon 100. 200s are there. 100 से 100 cancel, x से x cancel. So you're left with 100 minus discount is equals to 100 minus 30 is 70. 100 minus 10 is 90 upon 100. Cancel it out. 7 9s are 63. Okay, this gives you 100 minus discount. So when I'll take the discount, this shifting discount this side, this will become plus d and plus 63 will become minus 63. So this comes out 27%. So this is the solution of this particular question. I suppose the question is clear to all of you. Please do it properly in your notebooks. Complete chapter 7 properly. If you have still not done, I request you to complete it. Okay, yeah. Today your homework is from question number 10 to question number 13. All the questions are solved here. Do it properly. Thank you.